Having trouble with hidden toilet seat fittings? Lift the seat and find the two hinges. Press both buttons and remove the seat from the mounts. Take off the metal covers. Put the seat back on and align it evenly. Remove it again to expose the adjustment screws. Tighten them on both sides. Put the metal covers back on, slide the seat back into place and click the latches shut. See? Nothing moves. The seat is perfectly stable. Quick and easy, no plumber needed. Thanks to this trick, this dishwasher tablet gets a new purpose. First, grab a container of water to make pouring easier. Then take a plastic bottle with a dispenser for easy application. The key product here is a dishwasher tablet, known for its ability to remove dirt and residue effectively. Crush the tablet into small pieces using a hammer or pestle. Pour the prepared water into the plastic bottle, leaving some room at the top. Add the crushed tablet pieces to the bottle, seal it tightly, and wait for the tablet to dissolve. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. This cheap and simple solution can be used to clean your entire bathroom. Spray it on the toilet bowl and let it sit for a bit, allowing the mixture to break down dirt, limescale, and other residues. Then scrub the inside and wipe the rest with a paper towel. You can also use this mixture to clean the sink, as it effectively removes soap and water stains, leaving your bathroom spotless and streak-free. Throw coffee into your toilet. The results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. This is a simple and cost-effective way to create a useful bathroom cleaner. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee is great for absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda for its cleaning properties. Pour some vinegar into a glass, as it is well known for its disinfecting abilities. Add the vinegar to the bowl with the coffee and baking soda. Mix the solution thoroughly. Once the mixture is ready, you can use it to clean your bathroom. Pour the entire mixture into the toilet. Let it sit for a while to allow the ingredients to work their magic. Then scrub as usual and watch how effectively it cleans and disinfects. By using this natural cleaner, you're not only saving money, but also contributing to a healthier environment. Crush a toilet paper roll. You definitely won't regret it. You'll always do it this way from now on. Toilet paper is an essential product in every home, making it hard to imagine daily life without it. Discover this clever trick that works wonders in the bathroom and will help you stop wasting paper. Before placing the roll on the holder, crush it so that the cardboard tube in the center becomes nearly flat. Once it has the desired shape, only then should you put it on the holder. This method slows down usage since spinning the roll becomes more difficult. Contrary to what you might think, this makes a big difference. A standard roll, when placed normally, unravels too quickly, leading to overuse. Also, pay attention to an important detail when buying toilet paper. The key to a good purchase lies in reading product labels. Most people don't bother with this, but the labels determine how long your toilet paper will last. By checking them carefully, you'll quickly figure out which product offers the best value.